In the last video, we learned that a quadratic function is a polynomial function of degree 2. For example, f of x equals 2x squared minus 12x plus 22. We learned that this form is called the standard form, and that in general it can be written as f of x equals ax squared plus bx plus c. We also learned that every graph of a quadratic function is called a parabola, and that the vertex of a parabola represents the highest or lowest point of the parabola. Unfortunately, the standard form is not convenient because it does not immediately identify the vertex of the parabola. But when we have the vertex form, which is f of x equals a times x minus h in parentheses squared plus k, where a is not 0, we can immediately identify the vertex of the parabola, which is h, comma k. So when we have, for example, the vertex form f of x equals 2 times x minus 3 squared plus 4, we can immediately identify the vertex of the parabola, which is 3, comma 4. Note that in the vertex form there is a negative sign in front of the h. So the x-coordinate of the vertex is 3 and not negative 3. To make it short, if you have minus 3 here, the x-coordinate of the vertex is 3. And if you have plus 3 here, the x-coordinate of the vertex is negative 3. By the way, like in standard form, the sign in front of a determines whether the parabola opens upward or downward. Sometimes we have to convert the vertex form into the standard form. We just have to simplify the equation. Let me show you how. F of x equals 2 times x minus 3 in parentheses squared plus 4. Recall that a minus b in parentheses squared equals a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So x minus 3 in parentheses squared becomes x squared minus 6x plus 9. You can also multiply x minus 3 by x minus 3 if you are not confident with the squared binomial formula. But I highly recommend memorizing the formula immediately. With the distributive property, we get 2x squared minus 12x plus 18. Which is then 2x squared minus 12x plus 22. So we converted the vertex form into the standard form. However, getting the vertex form out of the standard form is a little bit more complicated, but also simple if you follow the steps I'll show you in the next video. So in the next video we're going to convert the standard form into the vertex form, which is very helpful to identify immediately the vertex of a parabola. Knowing the vertex also is a big help in sketching the graph of a parabola. More to come, so stay tuned.